A good reading list is a key learning resource for your students. Whether you plan to cover new material that expands taught teaching or use the list as a springboard to further student knowledge on a topic, reading lists are an essential part of university study. They help students get the most out of your lectures and encourage independent learning at university and beyond. Providing reassurance to students about how much they should be reading and when will help to ease feelings of anxiety and being overwhelmed. Ask yourself these questions when creating or reviewing your list. What will the reading help them with? Is it for a specific seminar or lecture? Is it essential or background reading? There is no optimum length for a reading list, but it is important to think about the amount of material you recommend. Decide how much time you believe it will take a student to read the material, then consider whether this matches the amount of time they have available to spend. If your reading list is particularly long, consider identifying chapters and articles, shorter texts, or other formats to help students manage their reading. An effective reading list can contain a range of resource types, providing an alternative mode of learning about a topic in addition to books and articles, such as websites, videos, podcasts, and databases. Consider whether your materials are easy to digest, up to date, at the right level. Are they accessible to all? Here are some ways to maximise engagement with your list. Your reading list provides easy access to key materials that will complement your teaching and includes guidance on how students can prioritise their reading. A reading list can enable you to reflect on what you want to achieve through your teaching. They can provide structure to the curriculum and your learning outcomes, allow your students to gain different perspectives and explanations about concepts, and reinforce and expand understanding.